I've been hearing stories about very qualified people who tick all the boxes of the job description but have never been called for even the first interview. Their resumes didn't pass the first screening process, and it made me think, what has changed today? One of the big changes is the use of AI in shortlisting the CVs. Yes, it's not humans, but it's some algorithm which is shortlisting and deciding you are not qualified for that role. AI, Application Tracking System, the ATS, screens all CVs before they can be seen by any human being. So what does that mean? Your CV now must become AI-friendly. They have to understand the algorithm of the AI. So here are some tips. Let's jump in, and in the next few minutes quickly go over some of the things you need to be now more conscious about while writing your CV. You spend years building your career, but your resume may not be seen by a human first. It will be seen by a machine. Your first job interview is with a machine. Over 95% of Fortune 500 companies use AI-powered application tracking systems to scan and filter resumes. And yet, over 75% of the qualified applicants are rejected by this system. Not for lack of talent, but because of how the resumes are written. That means years of experience, even leadership experiences, can all get buried because your CV is not AI ready. Let's look at the numbers. Recruiters spend only 6 seconds on a resume, if it even reaches them. ATS software eliminates up to 75% of the resumes before a human ever sees them. 88% of employers say highly qualified candidates are often missed because of poor resume optimization. So how do you beat the bot and win in the age of algorithms? Here's how you should write your CV. Step 1. Use the exact keywords from the job description. The AI doesn't interpret, it matches. If the role says data visualization, don't just say dashboards. Say exactly what they are asking for. Step 2. Keep it simple. No fancy fonts, no graphics, no tables. ATS systems read plain text the best. Save it as a .doc or PDF if accepted. Step 3. Use clear headings. Work experience, education, skills. That's what the AI is looking for. Don't use fancy poetic words like my journey so far or that's where I've been. No, the AI doesn't understand it. Step 4. Focus on achievements, not duties. Increase sales by 20% in 6 months is stronger than responsible for sales. AI ranks measurable impact much higher. Step 5. Customize. I keep telling this again and again to everyone. One size doesn't fit all now. You can't make one CV which you send to 20 opportunities. Each opportunity when you send your CV has to be customized to the job requirement and the description of that customer, of that employer. So focus on what is the job description and reword your CV to match that job description. And it will change for every opportunity. You only need to get past one gatekeeper, and that gatekeeper is not a human being. It's a machine. You have to outsmart it. You outsmart it by being intentional, by being aware, and with clarity. Your resume is not your life story. It's not your autobiography. It's your ticket to your next chapter. So write it exactly like that. Be focused on that. Let me summarize what I've been saying. Use keywords from the job description. AI looks for specific words, phrases matching the role. Example, if the job mentions project management and agile, your resume must mention that too. Stick to simple standard formatting. Avoid tables, columns, images, icons and fancy designs. Use basic fonts like Arial, Calibri or Times New Roman. Save as .doc or PDF if accepted. Use clear section headings, work experience, education, skills. No creative alternatives like my journey or the path so far. Highlight achievements with bullet points. Use action words. Managed, created, improved, led. Focus on results and matrices. Increase revenue by 20%, for example. Create a dedicated skill section. List tools technologies and soft skills clearly. Match the job postings terminology. If they use the word CRM, then use CRM. Don't say customer relationship tool. Avoid headers, footers and graphics. AI might ignore text in headers and footers, so keep contact info in the main body. Don't use logos, charts or profile photos. And finally, like I said, customize for every job. One size doesn't fit all. If you want to know whether your CV is AI friendly, just email me at the mail ID given in the description, and I will send you some free apps on the net which you can use and see how much compatible is your CV with the job description that you are applying for. So be smart. Until the next week, stay unstoppable.